Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Volvo XC60. First, turn on your vehicle to activate the central display screen. Then, locate the settings icon, usually found in the main menu. From there, we will navigate through the system options to find the date and time settings. This process is straightforward and ensures your car's clock is always accurate. To begin, tap the car symbol or My Car icon on your central display. This will open a menu with various vehicle functions. Next, select Settings to access the general configuration options. Within the settings, you will find System and then Date and Time. This is where all your clock adjustments will be made. Once in the Date and Time menu, you might see an option for Automatic Date and Time. If this is enabled, turn it off to allow manual adjustments. Now, tap directly on the displayed time. You will then use the plus and minus symbols on the screen to precisely set the correct hour and minute. Ensure you select the proper AM or PM if using a 12-hour format. After adjusting the hours and minutes, confirm that the new time is accurately displayed on your screen. If your Volvo has GPS, you can re-enable automatic date and time for future synchronization. This ensures your clock updates automatically when traveling across time zones. For any model-specific details, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.